Selamat sore rekan-rekan pemuda remaja. Haleluya, puji Tuhan, kita mau bersuka cita kehadirat Tuhan. Kalau di hari yang ketiga esok hari, Tuhan yang bangkit, Tuhan yang hidup, Tuhan yang selalu berdoa bagi kita sebagai anak-anaknya. Puji Tuhan, Tuhan Yesus memberkati. Kita akan mulaikan ibadah kita bersama-sama. Mari berdiri, kita pujikan agung dan mulialah Tuhanku. Haleluya. Siapa yang dapat seperti Kau Tuhan? Agung dan mulialah Tuhanku. Sempurnalah perbuatan tangan-Mu. Aku datang dan bersujud dalam hadirat-Mu, memuji kasih muda-Mu beroleh waktu kesempatan kembali untuk kami beribadah kehadirat Engkau. Tuhan kiranya berkati pimpin ibadah kami dari awal sampai pada selesainya nanti. Semuanya diberkati oleh Tuhan, semuanya dipimpin oleh Roh Kudus. Dan apa yang kami kerjakan tidak sia-sia, tetapi memuliakan nama Tuhan dan mendatangkan berkat dalam kehidupan kami. Kami mulaikan ibadah kami dengan ucapan syukur dalam nama Tuhan Yesus Kristus. Haleluya. Amin. Puji Tuhan, tetap berdiri. Dalam nama Yesus aku percaya. Haleluya. Mari serukan.
Kemenangan
sebentar kita akan menerima firman Tuhan. Kita siapkan hati bahwa kita punya Tuhan yang hidup, yang kekal sekarang sampai selama-lamanya. Haleluya. Surga terbuka memberi kuasa, perkara dapat kami tanggung di dalam Engkau yang memberikan kekuatan. Karena Engkau Allah yang hidup, Allah yang ada dalam kehidupan kami. Kita akan masuk doa untuk firman Tuhan dengan kasih Kristus. Saudara Rio berdoa dan kami serahkan pada hamba-Nya yang melayani.
Allah Bapa kami yang berada dalam kerajaan surga, ya Bapa, kami bersyukur Tuhan kalau kami memiliki Allah yang setia dalam kehidupan kami, Allah yang selalu ada dalam kehidupan kami, ya Bapa. Kami bersyukur Tuhan, dan melalui pujian ini, ya Bapa, kami mau terus menyatakan bahwa hidup kami hanya untuk kemuliaan nama Engkau, ya Yesus. Ya Yesus, sebentar lagi kami, kaum muda-mudimu di tempat ini, ya Bapa, akan menerima kebenaran firman-Mu, ya Tuhan. Kami mau serahkan jalannya firman-Mu pada malam hari ini hanya di dalam tangan-Mu, ya Bapa. Biar firman-Mu pada malam hari ini, ya Tuhan, boleh menjadi kuat, menjadi motivasi dalam kehidupan kami. Dalam nama Tuhan Yesus, sekali lagi kami mau serahkan jalannya firman-Mu hanya di dalam nama Tuhan Yesus Kristus. Haleluya. Amin.
Amin. Dipersilakan duduk kembali. Saya ucapkan selamat sore bagi kita semua. Selamat datang dan selamat beribadah, memuji mempermuliakan nama Tuhan, juga beribadah dalam ibadah penghiburan. Kan Yesus mati. Nah, jadi ini ibadah penghiburan buat Yesus, ya. Tuhan memberkati. Kita lanjutkan film kita The Last Supper.
From Essenes Corner, where I've heard the latest rumblings. Caiaphas is disquieted by our growing movement. He pressures Governor Pilate to take the master into custody.
Caiaphas, a bloviating whale.
Yeah, perhaps. But he holds sway with many of the Pharisees and citizens.
Best to be prepared, brother. Take the end. Good. Get to the end of the terrace. Steady.
What a joy. Glad to see you well, brothers.
My friends,
May the Passover bring you peace and contentment.
You as well, dear brothers.
well, happy to see you.
Mary Magdalene. Presence here fills our hearts with joy. Plagues your heart, Judah.
Who's there?
Will you cast your lot with a man doomed to fall?
Show your
spare a few coins for a poor leper?
Any word on Jesus' arrival?
Let's not bother Master Jesus with our play.
Little children, come to me. What's your name?
Huh? Show Jesus the kitchen. Go. Go. Rachel.
I made it for you.
Our family is honored to have you here, in our home.
Blessings to this household that opens its doors.
Do you really do the things you do?
I do many things through my faith, in God my Father's name. But I have yet to master the making of unleavened bread like you. Master. Master. We thank the Father for your safe arrival. Is my safety in question? My friends, let us commence the Passover celebration. I yearn to speak to each of you.
Matthew the Levite, huh? As a follower with one of the longest standing terms with the Master, it seems proper that I sit beside the teacher during our meal.
No need to argue. We can recline on both sides of the master.
I have important matters to discuss with the Lord. My place is at his side.
Children, it's time for us to go.
Brothers, be humble. This is no time to quarrel. Children,
Go get me a jar of water.
The greatest among you should be like the youngest, and one who rules like the one who serves. For who is greater? The one at the table or the one who serves? Is it not the one who is at the table? Yet I am among you as one who serves. You are those who have stood by me during my trials, and I confer on you a kingdom, just as my Father conferred one on me, so that you may eat and drink at my table in my kingdom and sit on thrones, judging the 12 tribes of Israel.
Teacher, I want to sit by you.
What is he doing?
A lesson in humility.
Peter. shall not wash my feet. Unless I wash your feet, you have no part with me.
Then, Lord, not only my feet, but you wash my hands and my head too.
Those who've had a bath need only wash their feet. Their bodies are clean and your body is clean. Though not all of you.
Why would he do this? I don't know. The host of the Seder should be washing his own hands first, followed by the rest of the family and guests, cleansing their souls as much as their hands.
John.
Judas. The King of Kings, a title given by fools. His fall is certain, Judas, and yours will follow if you stay. Save yourself, Judas, before it's too late.
Judas, are you well?
What?
I am asking for your well-being.
I'm fine.
Why do you roast your own flesh?
Your questions are numerous, Brother Peter.
Judas.
I appreciate your kindness, Master.
tell you, Judas, there are some stains that water alone cannot wash away.
Tell me, Lord, what you want to say.
Do you understand what I have done for you? Now that I, your Lord and teacher, have washed your feet, you also should wash one another's feet.
I was getting concerned about your delay, Yitzhak. Tonight we have esteemed guests. I want this evening to be special.
You will not be disappointed. This red wine is from Cana in Galilee, made solely for this newly pressed grape nectar.
You're right, Yitzhak. Looks like a good crop.
And the time that James on the fishing boat with Father, he's fishing and he had his little hold the fish in your hand. And if the father wasn't there, you would have lost the fish.
Our father couldn't have helped. He was tasked with making sure you wouldn't drown in the sea.
Your memory fails you, James. It was I who pulled the biggest tilapia fish from the sea.
It would be necessary to debate if my brother would admit that I am the better fisherman.
To admit that would be to lie.
You want to debate fishing stories, we should look no further than Simon Peter.
Now you summon me into your fishing tank.
Blessed are you, Lord our God, King of the universe, who has sanctified us with his commandments and commanded us concerning the eating of matzah.
I have eagerly desired to eat this Passover with you before I suffer. For I tell you, I will not eat it again until it finds fulfillment in the kingdom of God.
And now we consume the bitter herbs to remind us of the bitterness of slavery.
I am the bread of life. Your ancestors ate the manna in the wilderness, yet they died. But here, this bread comes down from heaven, and anyone may eat it and not this, Anita. This is my body given for you. Do this in remembrance of me.
The altar's to prayer.
Very truly, I tell you, one of you is going to betray me.
Surely it don't be me, my lord.
Jesus, my lord, do you mean me?
Do you mean me, Lord? Do you mean me? You don't mean me, teacher.
You couldn't be me, my lord.
Not me, Lord.
Me, Lord?
Lord, do you mean me?
Was it me, Rabbi?
Do you mean me, teacher?
Not you mean me, Master?
Ask him which one he means.
My lord. Who is it?
He dips his hand in the dish with me and betray me.
Son of Man goes as it is written of him. But woe to that man by whom the Son of Man is betrayed. It would have been better for that man if he had not been born.
Surely you don't mean me, Rabbi.
You have said so.
What you are about to do, do quickly.
What did Jesus say to him? Perhaps an errand for the poor. Is he praying?
Yeah, I think so.
He claims to be the King of Kings, but his demise draws near. Everyone at this table will face torture and death. He asks for your devotion. But where is his reward for you?
What should I do?
Save yourself, Judith, before it's too late.
Perhaps he went to arrange sleeping accommodation with the homeowner.
Save yourself. Save
Drink from it, all of you. This is my blood of the covenant, which is poured out for many for the forgiveness of sins. For I tell you, I will not drink from the fruit of the vine again Whoever eats my flesh, drinks my blood, will remain in me, and I in them.
These rituals are like anything we've practiced.
It's something deeper. A new covenant. A union with him that's beyond our understanding.
I can't go back.
Choose yourself, Judas. Let him bear his own cross.
I believed we could restore Israel, that we would stand beside him as rulers, but he wastes the chance. Preaching humility and peace, we could be kings.
The world will remember you, not as a follower, but as a leader who took a stand.
I have waited for the day when we rise up. If he will not seize the throne, then what is this all for? We're all going to be killed.
To whom do you speak?
I was praying, and this coop offered the only solitude I could find. And as the rabbi said, and when you pray, do not be like the hypocrites who love to stand and pray in the synagogues and on the street corners so they may be seen by others. Truly I say to you, when you pray, go into your room and shut the door and pray to your Father who is in secret, and your Father who sees in secret will reward you openly.
sift all of you as wheat. But I have prayed for you, Peter, that you will not lose your faith. And when you have turned back, strengthen your brothers.
I need to speak to Caiaphas.
Judas, unless you bring information he seeks, my master cannot be disturbed.
Tell him I have what he seeks.
Wait, Brother Fard.
Shemu Kolenu Adonai Eloheinu Kus Yorachim Leinu. Why, oh Lord, did you give such gifts to this man? Rides on a donkey. There's no wealth, no power, and yet you have endowed him with the ability to gather so many. People flock to him. Hang on his every word. I have upheld your laws. I have led the people. Empty in the temple. Why, oh Lord, did you not give such gifts to me? He has nothing. Nothing. Yet he has everything. Come.
You heard the master. One of us indeed will prove treacherous.
Any thoughts on who the dissenter might be? The teacher approaches.
My brothers, I will be with you only a little longer. You will look for me. And just as I said to my Jewish leader, now I also say to you. Where I am going, you cannot come. I am giving you a new commandment. That you love one another, just as I have loved you. And by this, all people will know that you are my disciples.
My Lord, where are you going?
Where I am going, you cannot follow me now, but you will follow there.
Master, I would follow you right this moment. I would lay down my life for you.
Will you lay down your life for me? Truly. Truly I say to you, tonight before the rooster crows, you yourself will deny me 3 times.
Even if I have to die with you, I would never disown you.
Nor I. Nor I.
Hanya Kau Tuhan di hidupku. Kau berikan hidup yang baru. Darahmu menyucikan, pulihkan hatiku. Ku nyatakan Tuhan Kaulah segalanya. Engkaulah sumber pengharapan, kuasa-Mu sanggup menyembuhkan. Haleluya. Jiwaku pun berhanya kepadamu, Yesus, Kaulah segalanya. Karena salib-Mu ku hidup, karena salib-Mu ku menang. Engkau yang berkuasa, sanggup untuk melakukan mujizat-Mu. Karena salib-Mu ku hidup, amin. Karena salib-Mu ku menang. Engkau yang berkuasa, sanggup untuk melakukan mujizat-Mu di hidupku. Amin. Haleluya. Hanya Kau Tuhan di hidupku. Kau berikan hidup yang baru. Haleluya. Darah-Mu menyucikan, pulihkan hatiku. Ku nyatakan Kaulah segalanya. Haleluya. Engkaulah sumber pengharapan, amin. Haleluya. Kuasa-Mu sanggup menyembuhkan. Oh, jiwaku pun berserah hanya kepadamu, Yesus, Kaulah segalanya. Haleluya. Karena salib-Mu ini kami Tuhan, sekarang kami hidup. Kami telah mati dari segala dosa dan sekarang kami hidup karena salib-Mu. Haleluya. Sanggup untuk melakukan mujizat-Mu, amin. Karena salib-Mu, salib-Mu yang memberikan kemenangan kepada kami sampai kepada kekekalan nanti bersama dengan Engkau sehidangan dalam kerajaan-Mu yang mulia. Oh, haleluya. Ku melakukan mujizat-Mu di hidupku. Mari kita nyanyikan pujian ini, resapi dan responi pengorbanan Yesus bagi saya dan saudara. Nikmati segala apa yang Dia telah kerjakan bagi kita. Oh, darah-Mu menyucikan, pulihkan hatiku. Ku nyatakan Kaulah segalanya. Haleluya. sanggup menyembuhkan. Jiwa kami berserah, jiwaku pun berserah hanya kepadamu. Yesus, Kaulah segalanya. Terima kasih untuk salibmu, karena salibmu ku hidup, karena salibmu ku menang. Engkau yang berkuasa sanggup untuk melakukan mujizat-Mu, karena salibmu ku hidup, karena salibmu ku menang. Engkau yang berkuasa sanggup untuk melakukan mujizat-Mu, karena salibmu ku hidup. Terima kasih untuk salibmu ya Tuhan. Terima kasih untuk darah-Mu. Terima kasih untuk kematian-Mu yang menjadikan kami menang terhadap segala iblis. Haleluya. Untuk melakukan mujizat-Mu, karena salibmu ku hidup. Ya Allah, oh ya Yesus, ya Rama, ya Rama. Kuasa sanggup untuk melakukan mujizat-Mu. Engkau yang berkuasa sanggup untuk melakukan mujizat-Mu di hidupku. Begitu besar kasih-Mu padaku, hingga Kau pilih jalan salibmu, pengorbananmu selamatkan hidupku. Terima kasih untuk salibmu. Begitu besar kasih-Mu padaku, hingga Kau pilih jalan salibmu, pengorbananmu selamatkan hidupku. Terima kasih untuk salibmu. Terima kasih untuk salibmu. Terima kasih untuk salibmu. Haleluya, haleluya, haleluya. Kita akan masuk dalam doa. Saudari Sharon berdoa. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih Tuhan atas mahakarya-Mu yang besar di kayu salib. Terima kasih Tuhan, maafkan atas segala dosa dan kesalahan yang kami perbuat Tuhan. Terima kasih ya Tuhan, kiranya Tuhan melalui film tadi kami bisa memiliki kasih seperti-Mu Tuhan, dan kami bisa rendah hati seperti-Mu Tuhan. Terima kasih Tuhan, berikan kasih-Mu itu di hidup kami Tuhan. Kiranya Tuhan berkati selama kami beribadah dari awal, pertengahan hingga akhirnya Tuhan. Berkati pelayan-pelayan-Mu yang turut ambil bagian Tuhan. Hanya dalam nama-Mu Tuhan kami berdoa dan kami mengucap syukur. Haleluya. Amin.
Amin. Puji Tuhan, dipersilakan duduk kembali. Kita akan berikan korban persembahan. Angkat satu pujian. Because he live, I can face tomorrow. Sebab dia hidup, ada hari esok. Anak Allah, Yesus namanya. Besok ibadah kebangkitan Yesus Kristus jam 6 pagi. Dilanjutkan dengan ibadah sekolah minggu atau pasca sekolah minggu setengah 9 pagi. Selasa doa pemuda remaja jam 6 sore. Bagi pemuda remaja yang mau mengikuti entrepreneurship boleh mendaftar tanggal 1 Mei di GPDI Sayan Altar. Yang mau mengikuti Youth Camp GPDI Jawa Timur dipersilakan dengan harga 425 kalau enggak salah sampai akhir bulan Mei. Yang mau mengikuti silahkan mendaftarkan diri. Ya, Tuhan memberkati setiap kedatangan kita maupun yang sudah melayani kita pada sore hari ini. Selamat datang bagi kedua rekan kita. Selamat beribadah bersama dengan kami. Tuhan memberkati. Mari kita berdiri, kita tamatkan dan akhiri ibadah kita pada malam hari ini. Kita angkat satu pujian. Kami memuji akan kebesaran-Mu. Doa berkat oleh Tante Cinta.
Dan diagungkan di dalam kehidupan kami, semua anak-anak-Mu. Terima kasih Tuhan buat karya salib Tuhan. Terima kasih buat pengorbanan Tuhan. Terima kasih untuk semuanya Tuhan. Kami bersyukur kami punya Allah seperti Tuhan Yesus Kristus. Biarlah Tuhan melalui pengorbanan Tuhan di kayu salib yang telah menebus setiap dosa kami dan telah mengasihi kami, dapat Tuhan Yesus kami pahami dengan baik dan kami juga dapat meneladani bagaimana kasih Kristus Tuhan nyatakan dalam kehidupan kami melalui anak-Mu Yesus Kristus. Dan kami juga Tuhan dapat praktekkan dalam setiap kehidupan kami pemuda dan remaja yang ada di tempat ini. Menyebarkan kasih, memberitakan kasih Kristus kepada dunia ini, kepada orang-orang yang belum mengenal akan Engkau Tuhan. Dan kami akan menceritakan bahwa hanya di dalam Yesus Kristus ada keselamatan yang kekal. Terima kasih Tuhan, mampukan setiap pemuda dan remaja GPDI Tunggul Permanu untuk menjadi berkat, untuk menjadi saksi-Mu dimanapun mereka pergi dan berada. Terima kasih Tuhan, kami Tuhan berdoa kepada Engkau, bagi teman-teman kami yang tidak hadir pada malam hari ini, kalau ada yang sakit, mari Tuhan Engkau jamah, Engkau sembuhkan, Engkau pulihkan di dalam nama Yesus. Biar di hari-hari mendatang mereka bisa beribadah bersama-sama dengan kami. Yang bermalas-malasan Tuhan ampuni, selagi masih ada kesempatan yang Tuhan berikan, Engkau tolong, Engkau gerakkan hati mereka, supaya mereka dapat kembali setia beribadah kepada Engkau. Terima kasih Tuhan, berkati pelayan-pelayan Tuhan yang sudah melayani di ibadah pemuda remaja malam hari ini. Dan berkati kami semua yang sudah hadir. Terima kasih Tuhan. Sebentar kami mau pulang ke rumah masing-masing, biar Tuhan Allah menyertai, melindungi, tiba di tempat tujuan dengan keadaan yang selamat. Terlebih sepanjang malam hari ini kami akan beristirahat, biar Engkau melindungi. Besok hari kami semua dapat bangun dengan tubuh diberkati Tuhan dan dapat beribadah kepada Engkau. Terima kasih Tuhan, kami tutup acara ibadah pada malam hari ini, kami alaskan doa kami hanya di dalam nama Tuhan Yesus Kristus. Saudara-saudara yang kekasih, mari terimalah berkat daripada Allah Bapa, cinta kasih daripada Tuhan Yesus Kristus, persekutuan, pimpinan, bimbingan dari Allah Rohul Kudus, senantiasa menyertai kami mulai saat ini sampai Maranatha, Tuhan Yesus datang kedua kalinya. Terpujilah Tuhan, haleluya. Amin. Puji Tuhan, Tuhan berkati.